Alcobond aluminum composite panels, building the future.
The Alcobond panel is a composite comprised of two PVDF-coated aluminum skins sandwiching a thermoplastic core in a continuous and integrated co-extrusion process, meeting the most exacting American, British, German, and European standards, using only the finest raw materials and strict quality control. Alcobond is used for external wall cladding and interiors, building arches and soffits, circular columns and canopies, interior partitions and ceiling panels, signage and exhibition stands, and cabinets and countertops.
Manufacturing Alcobond.
Welcome to Alcobond Manufacturing LLC, one of our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities located in Alco's industrial area at the hub of industry in Dubai, UAE, manufacturing Alcobond under license and quality and systems control from Alcobond Industries Incorporated in California, USA. I would like to run you briefly through the Alcobond production process. Premium quality LDPE is fed into the hopper, then heated, extruded through a T-die, and flattened by rollers. 2 layers of DuPont adhesive film are bonded to the top and bottom of the LDPE sheet. 2 layers of aluminum coils for the top and bottom of the panel are fed into the microchip-controlled lamination section, where the now 5 layers are chemically and mechanically bonded into a continuous flat panel. This panel is then cooled. An easy-to-peel, self-adhesive, anti-UV protective film is pasted to the upper face of the panel, which is then further flattened and cut to the required length by an automatic shearing machine. The completed Alcobond aluminum composite panel is then ready to dispatch to customers all around the world.
Fabricating Alcobond.
Fabricating Alcobond panels is fairly simple. Alcobond panels are versatile and can be bent and curved to many different shapes. Architects or consultants will provide the complete design of the building, specifying different panel sizes, shapes, colors, and specifications. The fabricators will then make shop drawings for the fabrication and installation process, which are then approved by the architect or consultant. The fabrication process begins when the specified panel is cut to the required size. The Alcobond panel is then routed at required angles for ease in bending. The panels are then bent to the required angle. Cleats are then riveted to the panel for easy installation, thus completing the panel, ready for installation on the building.
Installing Alcobond.
Installation of Alcobond aluminum composite panels is fairly simple and can be carried out with basic accessories such as brackets, runners, anchor bolts and screws, backing rods and tape, and silicone. There are many different installation processes, but the simplest method begins by anchoring a base of runners, brackets, and angles to the masonry wall in accordance with the approved shop drawings. The base is then perfectly leveled using a laser machine. The entire framework is then installed onto the masonry wall. The Alcobond panel is then screwed onto the base by the previously riveted cleats. After several adjacent panels are installed, insulation is frequently put in the void between the panels and the masonry wall. The joints are filled with a backing rod and sealed with Dow Corning structural silicone. The protective film must be removed within 45 days of installation. The process then goes on to complete the coping of parapet walls and flushing where required to complete the cladding works for the entire building.
Alcobond around the world.
With Alcobond, you can transform your architectural designs into reality. Here is a small selection of our latest projects around the world.
Alcobond aluminum composite panels. Building the future with you.